Hey there, everybody. Thomasville Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, December 23rd, and we're going to take a look here at the S&P on a weekly basis. So this is kind of the main reason we have been in the trading room here at Basecamp. We've been sitting on more cash than usual and just kind of waiting, trading smaller position sizes until we kind of sort this mess out. And that is the S&P has been stuck between a rock and a hard place over the past 2-3 months, since really October when we started going to this sideways consolidation. So we have nice support down at 65.84 or so on the ES, and then we have resistance. If you look at the weekly here, we keep breaking above 69.42, 69.50, and then pulling back down and closing below it. So we've broken above, closed below, broke above, closed below, broke above, closed below. So 5 different times now we've done that same thing where we broke above and closed below. And now, I mean, as of today, we are back above that 69.80 or 69.42 level, 69.43. And what we're going to watch for is see where we close this week. And really what we want to see happen is a close above 69.50. If we get through 69.50, and then we can pop this pivot high, this middle pivot here from the consolidation at 69.90, then we should be good for the S&P to keep climbing. I wouldn't be surprised to see us push right up through that 7,000 level and keep pushing a bit more in the early part of next year. So keep an eye on it. For now, the S&P is looking bullish. If you were in the trading room with us, or if you remember Basecamp, you watched the end of day video, the weekly outlook last week. I talked about looking for this to head higher this week. It played out really well so far. So our bias is playing out correctly. Our analysis is playing out correctly. Now what we're looking for is for the breakout above 69.90 and really that 7,000 level. But overall, looking good. If this is going to turn bearish, the thing you want to watch for is a sell-off after Christmas and a pullback and close below 69.42. We close below 69.42. We can look for this to start pulling back with this bearish divergence. But that's it for today. I hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, you can go to bctnow.com/join to try out an entire month of the trading rooms with us. So I'd encourage you to do that. It's only $7 to try it out for an entire month, just a processing fee. That's it for now. Until next time, everybody, Merry Christmas and happy trading.